Understanding exactly how your thermostat controls your heat, air conditioning, and fan can totally change how you handle those annoying indoor temperature swings. So, here's the lowdown. Your thermostat is basically the command center for your heating and cooling system. When you want heat, the thermostat closes the circuit between the R wire and the W wire, sending a signal to the furnace to fire up. If you need air conditioning, it connects R to Y, which tells the compressor to start chilling. For the fan only, it links R to G, turning the blower on without heating or cooling. This closing of circuits is like flipping switches that tell your control board what to do next. The control board then activates the right parts of your HVAC system in the right order. No confusion, no wasted energy. It's all about those electrical signals getting passed along smoothly. When it works right, you barely notice it. When it doesn't, well, you're sweating or freezing for sure. One of the biggest issues with thermostats controlling heat and air conditioning is wiring problems. If wires like R, W, Y, or G get loose or corroded, the system won't respond properly. So double-check connections and replace damaged wires. Another common headache is a faulty thermostat sensor that misreads temperatures. Swapping out old sensors or recalibrating your thermostat can fix this. Lastly, people often overlook proper programming. Setting schedules wrong or using incompatible thermostats can mess with timing and comfort, so make sure your thermostat matches your HVAC system specs and is programmed for your daily routine. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners easily find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to heating and cooling systems. For contractors, it's a great way to connect with new customers looking for reliable service on projects big and small.